Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Now to do that, open the TikTok application. Now once you open the TikTok, now here tap on the plus icon, go to your upload. From here I'm just gonna select some picture for the tutorial, then tap on next, and here you can tap on switch to photo mode, which will give you this option, and you can see here I can swipe it to see the different picture over here. I can have a photo swipe option here. Now if this is not working or it's missing for you, the easiest thing that you can do is you discard this one over here, tap on discard, then you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on your profile on the bottom right, then you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Go to setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option free up space. Tap that. And here you need to tap on clear cache. Tap on clear. Then again you need to tap on clear downloads as well. Clear and download. Tap clear. Both of these is to delete out that cache and the download. Now that you've done that, the next thing we're going to do is hop to your setting. Go to setting on your phone device. Tap on setting. You need to go to apps and notification, tap that, and there you need to go to the TikTok app info page, tap on it. Go to the storage and cache again, and there you need to tap on clear cache. This will delete all the cache that you have on the TikTok application. Once that's done, you need to uninstall the application and then reinstall it. You can tap on uninstall over here and tap on OK and uninstall the app. Then re-download the application and then log in into the account. This might be the way to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working for your phone. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.